So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically use your Samsung Galaxy phone and unlock it without having to go ahead and basically tap on the OK button every single time you type in your passcode. So just by using this setting, it will automatically unlock it without having you to tap on the OK button. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is head over to the settings. Now here you have to now on settings go over to lock screen and here tap on the screen lock type. Now enter your current passcode or pin. Now here tap on the pin. So if you already have set up a pin, you'll have to change your pin once again. So I'll change it to 0000 and here is the option that we are looking for. Confirm pin without tapping OK. If it is disabled like this, you just have to tap on it. So it will be enabled. 0000 again to confirm. Now whenever you lock your phone and turn it on, so we will enter our pin 0000. So it will automatically unlock without you having to press on the OK button. So if you have any questions regarding this, please drop down in the comment section below. And if you have enjoyed the video and found it useful, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.